This conference will now be recorded.
Good evening, everyone. Join the session. So I'm going to share the screen. All are able to see the screen. All are able to see the screen. So today's topic we are going to start accounts payable. Yesterday we have little started. So in SAP FI Financial Accounting, accounts payable AP is a submodule used to manage and records accounting data related to vendors, suppliers. It handles all transactions with vendors and ensures that the company meets its financial obligations accurately and on time. Am I audible to all? So if I am audible, put response here. Okay, so what accounts payable does in SAP FI? Vendor master data management stores all key informations about vendor name, address, bank details, payment terms, tax informations. So this is all related to your accounts payable. Next is invoice processing. So here we are posting to the invoice, vendor invoice. Records vendor invoice, manual entries, automate via scanning, all these things we can do, and post accounting documents that impact general ledger. We have created GL accounts like different like clearing expenses. That ledgers also we have created like different kinds of expenses ledger. Outgoing payments is what? It is for vendor payment, supports manual or automatic payment runs, and payment method is bank transfer, checks, etc. So generate payments, documents, and clears the open vendor items. So credit memos, debit notes, all these things will be here, but we are doing direct posting on outgoing payments. So vendor reporting, reconciliations, integrations with other modules of this, it is there. So from where we are going to start, key transaction in SAP FI That's for accounts payable. FK01 vendor creations. Today we'll do from here. T code FK02 for change vendors, FK03 for display vendors, FB60 is for post vendor invoice, F-50 is for post outgoing payments here. So students, you can write the T codes which is displaying on the screen. Okay. So write T code descriptions till that. Let's other student has to join. We'll start the class. So I'll press this in the next page. You can see. Write this all. I'm going to little increase the size here. Okay, right. Key transactions in SAP AI for vendors. What are the key codes are required? What are the key codes are required for accounts payable? That first you have to make note. So first we'll complete this, then we'll start with the software. And before also we did something like accounts receivable and accounts payable, SPRO. Yesterday you have done this. Now I'm going to. Have you done this? You have note down. So we'll start.
1 second, can you show that now?
Okay. AP stands for accounts payable. Do not confuse. AP stands for accounts payable. Completed. So we'll start. So see here, I'm going to minimize this. So resume this virtual machines. So what is the procedure to go to the vendor accounts? So SPRO, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting, accounts receivable and accounts payable. Okay. After this, we'll do vendor accounts, then master data. I'm just showing last class topic, and this is preparations for creating vendor master data. So this is the path which we have done yesterday at the last session slide. Define accounts group with screen layout vendors. So I'll click on this. Yesterday I have created INVN. So like this, when you click on new entries, you need to fill in that accounts group INVN, domestic vendor for IN25. After this, what you have to do, you have to click on company code data, accounts management, reconciliation, required entries. You have to click on this. Okay, after this, you have to click on save. Already data has been saved, so I'm not going to change. Then create number ranges. So we have to click on change intervals, then intervals, then give the two number digits. Okay, suppose I'm giving 23. You need to select from this to this. Okay, any one you can select and save with that. So already we did that. I'm not going to save. After this, we need to assign the number ranges. So click on this positions. Accounts group is IN I have given yesterday, and number range I have assigned 28. 25 not 28, I have assigned the number ranges. So till this everything is clear. So everyone understood this? Hmm? If you have understood, type 1 in the chat box. What about others? If I'll get more one, then only I'll continue the next. Other students, any doubts is there? So today we are going to start again 7:10 the doubt sessions and all. Okay, let's start with this. So after all these things, you can close all and tolerance group. What is the tolerance group? Slash and OBA3. Press enter. So I need to check I have created or not. IN 28. Sorry, 25. So it has not been created, students. Tolerance group for vendors has to create. So what is the T code for this? I'll do that. Slash and OBA3. Make a note on this. OBA3.
Ma'am, can you
I'll
come
write
from
on this.
beginning?
Not beginning. I will not do from beginning. From here you can see that. You have joined now. Class will start always 6 o'clock. Okay. Slash and here I'll mention ours. 1 second. Yes, this is. I have not started anything new today. It is previous yesterday class only. I am telling that. So slash n. This is OBA3.
Ma'am,
I
I
have
have
done
noticed
what is
that Wednesday's class I wasn't able to display GL account.
with GL account.
Yes, ma'am. That this.
After doubt sessions will be starting after 7:10.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
now you see that in this current timings means what are running now. If you have doubt, ask. I will give you every class I have given. Today also I'll give 7:10 for doubt session. In that time, don't be silent. I'm telling you 100 times. Don't be silent because other times I'll not pick the call. I'll not maybe the answer any message. I'll be catch up with the classes. So please respond when 7:10 when I'm giving you time 7:10 to 7:30. It is quite more 20 minutes I'm giving you. Okay, so you can ask whatever doubts related to the subjects or anything is there. Okay, so we'll continue this now. Slash and
Ma'am,
OB3 is for what? Tolerance group. Tolerance group for vendors. Tolerance group for vendors or customers. Vendors and customer. So make a note. What is the T code? Slash and OBA3. this and all we are going to do, but after tolerance group we are going to create vendors, that is FK01. Even we have to create document types KA, KR, KZ. I think yesterday we have created. Can you remember anyone we have created yesterday? KA, KR, KZ? No. Okay. So we'll create today. That is the must. Document types creation is must. Okay. So OB-A3 tolerance group. So I'll give your OB-A3 in the T code bar and press enter. So click on new entries. Company code I am giving IN25.
Ma'am, did you
And
press
students,
create number ranges for number accounts?
number ranges I am not creating. I am creating now tolerance group.
That is what, ma'am. You clicked create number range for vendor accounts.
That is done. Yesterday only done. That things is
So,
done. Now this is the new topic which I am starting today.
which one you're doing, ma'am? Assign number ranges to vendor account groups.
That is also done yesterday. It is I shown you just. I just shown little back. Is what I have done yesterday that I shown. Now this is the new topic for the day.
Okay, which we are doing under preparations for creating vendor master data.
This I am doing now. See this. This I am doing. Slash and OBA3 tolerance group. If you yesterday recordings you have seen, you can see that last 10 minutes I taught you that how to create vendor accounts. So this is the tolerance group which I am teaching, and you need not to fill any other things. Just click on save and save vendors. Please mute yourself. Who is speaking now? Mute yourself. When you will ask the questions, unmute. Okay. So we have created tolerance group. So tolerance group, why it is there? It is the setting a limits to the customers. Okay. So that is the things, and how to do OBA3 tolerance group for vendors and customers. We have already done for the employees. Now we have done for the vendors and customers. So after this, I'm going to start. Wait, SPRO. Student is asking that I should answer. See this. Yesterday class we have done financial accounting, accounts receivable, accounts payable, vendor account, master data. We did this. Define we did, then number range we did, assign number range also we did yesterday. Today I have done that is tolerance group creations. Now slash and FK01. So please make a note, you have to type in the T code bar slash and FK01. But before that, as we created number ranges, as we have done the document types purchase, likewise we have to create document types. Next step, students, you can write document types. So I'm going to close all this and I'm going to do document types. So you can write financial accounting new, financial accounting global settings new, document and document types. Please make a note on this. Financial accounting new, financial accounting global settings new, then document, then document types. First you complete this, let me know if it is done. Clear document types. So define document types for entry view. Define document types for entry view. So once you click on the define document types for entry view, click on this. So first positions you have to type KA. What you have to do? KA. You need not click on new entries here, it will not get. You have to click on position. Okay? Click on position, type document type KA. After this, click on this continue and double click on this vendor document. Double click on this vendor document. So what is the number range for this? 17. So in this screen, whatever displaying you can write. So you need to write document type KA, that is for vendor document. Number range is 17. Reverse document type AB. Then account types allowed is asset, vendors, material, GL account. Please make a note on this. Make a note. Stay online. I'll come in just in 4 minutes. So everyone has note down. Number range is 17. Viewers document type AB. AB stands for accounting document. So here accounting type allowed is assets, vendors, material, GL account. Clear? Everyone has noted down this. After that, you have to click on number range information. Number range information, company code IN25. Then click on change intervals. Have you noted down everyone? Okay. So after this, you have to click on change intervals. So number is information, then change intervals. Here it is the change intervals. So then insert intervals. Then 17. I'm giving 17. This is 2025. From numbers, I will give suppose 2000 to 2999. Here we can do that. It's already available. Maybe we have
Ma'am, your voice is
done
breaking.
yesterday. Yes. Yes, we have done yesterday. We cannot do once more.
Your voice is breaking, ma'am.
We have done this document types yesterday. Hello? Is this audible?
It is still breaking, ma'am.
Is this audible now? One second. Hello? Is it audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here we can do that. Actually, this also has been done. Why? Because it is displaying here 7, 16, 17, 18. So I'll just take a look on this and we can do that. Okay. So AB 17 we have done. Likewise, we have to do KR. KR. Then click on this invoice. So 19 number range. Make a note. KR is 19 number range. Assets, vendor, material, GL accounts. So then you have to click on number range information.
We've done 19 also.
That's what I'm telling. So it is displaying because just some students they asked, so only I am doing this. So if I click on this intervals, 19 has been done. Same procedure you can do for this. Okay, less. So 19 has done. Next, just you have to remember that positions KZ. KZ is for vendor payment. Maybe I have done some others, not yesterday. I have taken in other days, I think when I have teach you document types. Not yesterday. Not yesterday it was. It is before only. So KZ is vendor payment 15 number range. It is I think 2-3 classes before I think. Not yesterday. So 15 number range at a time we have created for vendors and customer. That's what it is displaying. Okay. So like this we have done. Next, what we have to do? Slash n fk01. If you see any recordings, it will be there. Maybe 3-4 classes before or something. Which day I taught you tolerance group, document number range, document types, that day only. So fk01, press enter. So this is vendor creation. So fk01. Now I'm going to create vendors. So how to create vendors? Students, you need not to put any number, alphabets, nothing like that. Just you have to do accounts, company code, accounts group you have to give. IN, what is that? INVN. What I have created the vendor account, did you remember?
INVN.
INVN, that much only you have to give. Make a note. Vendor, nothing you have to fill, only company code and accounts group, that's all. In the reference also you should not fill any other things. Okay, after this press enter. Then what is displaying? Title. Okay, so title what I am going to give? Company. Okay, here I'll type Ajita Private Limited. Ajita Private Limited. I'm giving postal code 560011. City I'll give Bangalore. You understood, students? Just press slash n fk01. Give the company code and vendor account number, means that code. Second vendor accounts group. Then press enter. You will get create vendor address screen. Okay. Then click on country IN and reason is 10. First you fill whatever data is displaying on the screen. So you have to fill title, name, a postal code, city, country, reason, language is almost displaying. Postbox address, this is all not required, students, now. So whatever required, mandatory required field, I have filled here. Completed? Have you done this? Press enter. So you will get one more screen. So again you need to press enter. Press enter. So 3 times you have to press enter, students. Now we have to click on reconciliation is sundry creditor. Understood? After filling that details, 3 screen you have to just press enter and you have to come into the create vendor accounting information accounting. Okay? So after filling the address details, 3 screen you have to press only enter. Then you will come to the create vendor accounting information screen. So here we have to give short key 001, that is for posting date, and cash management you can do A1 for domestic payment. Please make a note on this. I'll create 2 more vendors so it will be easy to understand. In this procedure, I'll create 2 more vendor accounts. Here, after this, click on save. So vendor, this one has been created. So we'll do one more vendor creations. Shall we do one more vendor creation? Put your response. So it will be clear to everyone. One more vendors we are going to create. See this. Company code and accounts group we have to give. Press enter. Then title is company. Name is I'll give as a Alka Private Limited. Alka Private Limited. And this is I'm giving postal code 560011. City is Bangalore. Country is IN. Reason is 10. Please write this. Okay, here I have not taken Bangalore. Done. So press enter. You will get this customer something in our screen. Create vendors control. Create vendor control screen. You need not to do anything. Press enter. Again create vendor payment transactions. Need not to do anything. Enter. Then create vendor accounting informations you need to do. So here my cursor is blinking on reconciliation account. So click on this. Choose the Sunday creditor. And short key is 001. Cash management account is A1. Bicycle to change. Bicycle. Change the. Okay, general bicycle. Have you done, students? After this, click on save. Understood? Vendor, two vendors we have created. Any doubts in this? Is there any doubts? Understood? Okay. So is the voice is clear because I'm not able. Am I audible to you? Okay. So why others are not responding? Type yes. So we can proceed the next step. Okay. Fine. So next one is you can see FK01 we did. Now we have to go to the vendor invoice. So we have slash and FP60. Now I show you something FK02 also. What is FK02? Something you want to change, you can do. But don't do right now, nothing is required. So I'll not suggest to do these things. Slash N. First you will go to the first screen. Slash N FB16. If any changes or any wrong entries has been done, then you can do FK02. Otherwise, it is required to enter any things there. Clear, students? After FK01, you need to do FB60. FB60. So here we have to do display vendors. So once more slash n FK03. So it is displaying what are the vendors Alka Private Limited. Okay. If I click on this, what will happen? I can see the one more vendor search term is Ajita. Okay, so it will not display in this way, just it will show Alka. What is the last we have created, that will display. Okay, if you remember the vendor account numbers, you will be able to see that. If I click on this, it will display. See here, but you should not put any numbers. Ajita and Alka. This is to display. Okay, so changes is right now not required. Any changes you want to do on this, then you can do change data, payment transaction, all these things. But right now for this FK01 and FK03 you can use slash n. Now I am going to do vendor invoice slash n FB60 slash n FB60. Press enter. Okay, so we are getting the vendor invoice. Students, you write slash FB16 is for post vendor invoice. Don't use 02, you can use 03 to display vendors. Clear? So I'll exit from this once. I'll show you once again. So those who have not seen. Slash N FB 60. Okay, those who have not seen, please see here. After this, what we have to do? Company code. This is another company. Click on company code. Company code is different showing, so I'll change with IN25. Please see that clearly on screen. I clicked on company code. I got this dialog box. Company code you need to change. Once you click on this, click on the tick mark. Now our company code is displaying on the screen. Okay, so you have to click on vendor. So I am taking Ajita Private Limited. You understood, students? You have to select the vendor. So vendor I am taking Ajita Private Limited. Invoice date 12. First you make a note on this. So this is for Ajita. This is invoice date. Amount I am giving, suppose 15,000. $15,000. Okay. So text you can write being goods purchased on credit. Being goods purchased on credit. Is it clear? Students, till this much you have noted down?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next is GL account. So GL account, what we need to do? Click on this tick mark, start search. I need to select purchase account. So see this. Once you click on this, the screen will appear. This is called purchase account. This you have to select. Double click on that. Okay. So debit is displaying and I need to put the amount 15,000. And second line items, that is this is first line, second line items. No, sorry. Second line items you need not to put here. Why? Because it's a credit transactions which we are going to do. And try to understand students, we need not to do the second line items here. Only we have to enter the purchase account, debit and amount. Okay. After giving this, press enter. So what is displaying? It is asking for business area. We have created IN 25. Just give business area and click on post. So document 3000 was posted in company code IN 25. Till this any doubts is there? Let me know. Then I will do one more transactions with one more vendors. So let's do one more.
Ma'am, after typing business area, what we should do?
Click on save save post. It is there, no? There you click. Okay, everyone done. So we'll do one more posting. Shall we do one more posting on Alka?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so wait. So I'm getting response that everyone wants this. Okay, let's select this Alka Private Limited. Okay, then invoice date. Invoice date you can click here. You will get the calendar. Just select 12. Amount I am giving 16,000. So this is two different vendor students. Remember that which vendor what amount we have given. Okay. So then we can do posting. So 16,000. Then what we need to do? We have to do being goods purchased on credit and GL account. GL account we need to select purchase account. Okay, select an item is telling. Not this. Actually, I have double click on this. No issues here. 16,000. Okay. After this, you need to press enter. Business area, it will ask you. So give business area and click on post. So 3001 also was posted. So this is called vendor invoice entries. Now we are going to do, what is that? What we are going to do, students? F-53. Make a note. We are going to do now post outgoing payments, means vendor payment. Okay, vendor payment F-53. So come back to this T code /n F-53. So the screen we are getting post outgoing payments. Till vendor invoice entries, everyone understood? Vendor invoice entries, everyone understood?
Ma'am, if
Type
I click on post, it is showing enter an amount on the basic data screen.
basic data screen. Where is the basic data screen? Amount you put or else maybe you forgot the amount. I'll show you once again the screen. Wait. /n FB16. Have you put amount on this? You have
Yes,
to put
ma'am.
amount and here you have to put also. Two places.
Yes, ma'am. And business area is IN25.
Yes.
So I'm clicking on post. It's not coming. It is showing enter an amount on the basic data screen.
Mama, it is basic data screen only. I am in basic data. I am not in payment. I am in basic data only. So
Okay.
what will happen? You just come out from this. Again, you go and try to do the same entries. No issues. Let clear it once. So select the vendor, give the vendor date, give the amount.
1 minute, I'm doing.
You do it. I'll stop for 5 minutes. 2 minutes, no issues. Once you've done, let me know.
Yes, ma'am. We have to put amount in the tax amount, right? Tax
No,
column.
ma, tax amount you should not do. That is only you did mistakes. Amount. Here, not this tax because that is GST time. Not now.
Okay, okay.
That's the mistake actually. Basic amount means this amount only. Other things are
Okay,
same.
okay.
Here you put, here same amount you put here also with this purchase account. Then press enter, give the business area and post.
Yeah, yeah. 1 minute. Done, ma'am.
Is it posted?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is slash n f hyphen 53. Type in the T code bar slash n f hyphen 53. I will show you in the because it's looking small. So here you can see f hyphen 53 post outgoing payments. So after press enter, you are on the screen post outgoing payments. Now document date. What is the difference between suppose I did invoice entries, I'm not going to make payment. Suppose again I'll open the system tomorrow and suppose payment has done tomorrow. So in that case, document date will be today's date, posting date will be different. But as I am doing on same date, I should give same date. Try to understand students. Suppose you have purchased the items today, okay, and you have document date, today's date you have given. Today you are not going to make payment to the vendors. So tomorrow 13. So 13 when you will make the payment, you have to go to the F-53. Document date is today's date you have to give, posting date 13 you have to give. But right now what I did, I am doing both this on same date. So I am not going to change anything in the date format. Clear? So clearing text you can write payment to vendor. What the narrations for the payment to vendors. And account, it will ask you bank data. So ICICI bank, it will go through the bank only, so you select bank account. Amount, here we have to think, we have done 15,000 for Alka, sorry, Ajita. So first I'll make the clear of 15,000. Value date, today's date. You can do one shot payment if you have a same vendors. Okay, Suppose from Ajita I have purchased two items. So in that case, total amount I need to pay it one shot. But what is the things here? I have two different vendors, so I'll make two different payments. So please make a note on this, which is displaying on the screen. Which fields are filled? That you can make a note. Document date, posting date, type. This will automatically update. If it is not updating in your software, there will be a lot of mistakes there. So you need to check that it is displaying this. You are doing good. Then payment to vendors. Account is ICICI Bank and amount is 15,000. Text I need not to give here. Accounts I need to select. This account is for vendor. Click on this. Click on this. I am selecting Ajita. That number, when you as soon as you select the vendor name, the number will generate automatically, because in SAP everything is assigned with a number. It is a system generated number. We have not given that. We have just typed Ajita and Alka, but number creations vendor account is automated by the software. You do not do any changes or verifications on that. After clicking on this, click on process open items. Another 5 minutes will do, then we can do the doubt sessions. Process open items. Okay. Once you click on process open items, you will get one more screen. Okay. After this, click on post. So document 4000 was posted. One more entries we have done for the Alka. So document date 12. This is payment to vendor, accounts, ICICI Bank. Okay. Then amount 16,000. For Alka I have done 16,000. Value date. Remember that if your document date also previous date, but value date when you are making payment. Posting date and value date always should be same. Account. So Alka Private Limited. Okay. So see all these things. Okay. Process open items. Then click on post. So this is all accounts payable. So last but not the least, how to display vendor line items. So /n FBL1N /n FBL1N. Press enter. So this is the thing, students. Last one /n FBL1N to see the vendor line item display. Please make a note on this. Okay, so vendor account it is displaying. So you need to click on clear items. You need to click clear items today. When you have created that, you have to select and click on execute. So it is displaying. So this is the vendor posting has been done. So all the details it will display for that. So those who have done, send the screenshot in the group.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
If I press on execute, for me it's showing no items selected. See long text.
Long text in the invoice or in the this one.
Vendor line item display, ma'am.
Okay, shall I show you once again? See this vendor account. See the vendor account is your correct. Check your vendor accounts. Ajita Traders I have created. And open items Bedama cleared items. Then click on execute.
Got it, ma'am. Thank you.
Got it? Okay. Those who have done, please send the screenshot here. So we'll get to know. I am not going to send screenshot. Students should send. Okay. So if you have done, please send the screenshot in the WhatsApp group. So other students also will get to know that. Okay, vendor line Ajita. No issues. Same name also you can do. Not an issues. So this is you have done. Ayman.
Yes, ma'am. That's my laptop screen.
Okay, this name you have used or this particular screenshot you have taken. Have you done this? Because same name is displaying, so I'm asking.
Yes, ma'am. I used the same name as yours.
Okay, so it's okay, no issues. Okay, so everyone understood? So one more I will check, like I will change the vendors. I'll take Alka Private Limited and cleared items, execute. So it is displaying. Alka have you done? Put that also. Alka Private Limited. So if you have done for Alka, that you put. And next we are, so that's all the topics for the day. Tomorrow I am going to start accounts receivable. Okay. So any doubts is there? Let me know. Those who want to share the screen, please share, and we can solve the doubts and all. Okay. So someone has asked me some queries on this. Let me show whatever queries you have, students. Who wants to share the screen? Hmm? Anyone wants to share the screen? Those who have any issues? Because after the class, if you ask, I am not able to do.
Ma'am, I wasn't able to see my entries from GL account.
Okay, can you share the screen? Can I know who is speaking now?
Humaira, ma'am. Ma'am, I am changing my entries from assets, the recent one, which I had done in ledger.
Okay.
So once if I change and if I don't get, I'll share in 5 minutes. Let accounts
Yes,
know.
yes, no issues. Till that, any other students? Any doubts you have? So please tell me, there is a time, another few minutes till 7:30 I'll be conducting the class. And if you'll ask me after the class, I may not be able to answer because I have other works also, like my logout at this 8 o'clock. So I have one more batch also today, so I'll not be answering. So if you have doubts, please tell me now only. Over the phone also it will be difficult. If you will not share anything, so I'll start the new topics, accounts receivable. Shall we start? Type 1 or no, means 2. If you are agree, type 1. If you are not agree, type 2. I want majority. I want most one I'll get means I will start little bit like accounts receivable. Procedure is same. It is just opposite. Okay. Can I know what is the reason of 2? Are you doing now? Complete it, no issues. And what about the assignment? Submit in the group I have sent. So if you do that assignments, you will get the knowledge. If you are not able to do, please ask. I today also I messaged that related to the assignments. If you have any queries, let me know in the class. You have any queries to ask? No means I will not ask again. If you will not ask, you will be silent. So I'll proceed for the next topic. Asha, what do you mean by customer? Let's discuss with some theories. Okay? What do you mean by customer? Hmm? Tell me, students. Vendors, though we have done. Now we are doing about customers. Why silence? After the class, I am not going to reply. So now only you can ask if you have any doubts. So I'm going to start accounts receivable. As you are not asking, we cannot simply sit. Time is very precious. Okay, so write those who have done with this accounts receivable. So theories notes I'll be giving tomorrow. So procedure is financial accounting global setting. So here I'll just check it out. Financial accounting, accounts receivable and accounts payable, customer account, master data, preparations, define screen layout with customers. So here click on this define accounts group with screen layout customers. Then click on new entries, accounts group, INCU, domestic customer for IN25.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Can you
Still
please show what to click after preparations for creating customer master data?
1 minute. I'll not save the data. Here. Accounts is after financial accounting, accounts receivable and accounts payable, then customer accounts, then master data, then preparations for creating customer master data, then define accounts group with screen layout customer. ING activity. Got it? Everyone able
Okay.
to see that? Everyone able to see that? Click on new entries. I'm giving INCU. You can give also same for corrections. INCU domestic customer for IN25. You can give your company code and you can give same vendor account group. Sorry, customer account. This is double click on company code data. Okay. After this, double click on company code data, accounts management. Accounts management. Double click on this. Click on required entries. Finished? Required entries. Click on save and save with the company. Clear? So this has done. Have you done this? If you understood, put your response. Okay, Mishita. But Mishita, Ankita, Babita, Angela, you are not. You are just responding. But are you doing this practicals and all? Huh? Have you done the practical till how much you have done? I'm not getting to know, na? Hmm? Mishita? Okay. So once it is done, please send it in the group. Okay. So type 1 if you are doing in home. Those who are doing in home, please type 1. So I'll get the confirmations. Yes, you are doing and all. Okay. Do it, no issues. But send me the screenshot also, whatever you have done. No issues how much you have done. Still we have so many hours. Okay. Till that you have a time. Even once this has completed, even I am going to give you revision classes 2 sessions at last. If we have a lot of hours rest, we can do revision also. That time whatever you stuff, we can clarify also. Okay, till that do no hurry up. Aram you can do that things. Okay, let's start with the next options, that is called create number range for customer accounts. So back once. Now same procedure how we did for vendors, same procedure for customer. So you can see my IMG activity, create number ranges for customer account. My pointer you can see here, create number ranges for customer accounts. Okay. Create number ranges for customer accounts. Click on change intervals. Click on change intervals. Then insert intervals. So last time I have given 28. Now I am giving 29. Okay. As I told you, you need not to type. You can select the number range. Whatever displaying in the first. So for me, displaying this number range, and don't please select the last one. It will complete your free intervals. So you will not able to get later on. So which is showing in the first, that you select. Okay. Then click on insert. Okay. So click on insert and save. So data is getting saved. Where is the 29? If you scroll, you can see 29 has been created. Clear? Same procedure you do. General data not. Click on company code data. Click subring. Click on company code data, not in general data. Company. Double click on. So you have to, I'll just mention here. Double click on company code data. Then click on accounts management. Okay. Then reconciliation account.
Ma'am, done, ma'am. All that is done.
Done. Okay. Fine. Super. Okay. So next is assign number ranges to vendor accounts group. Click on this. Click on positions. What we have given IN. See you. Click on this and just assign 29. That's all. 29. Click on save. So done. Customer accounts. Those who have done till this much, put that you have done customer accounts. Put a message in the group so other will get inspired. They will also do. Okay. So we have done till assign number ranges to customer account. Okay, so we'll wind up the sessions today, students, and practice you do. See the recordings. Any doubts, let me know. And we'll continue tomorrow this accounts receivable. Again, you can ask if you have doubts stuck anywhere. And likewise, this week accounts receivable will be complete. And Thursday, I'll tell you little bit theory about GST. Clear? That's all for the day, students. We'll wind up the sessions now. Practice, and those who have done till how much also need not to feel shy to put in the group. Please put how much you have done. Okay, whatever queries related to those topics, please let me know in the group and do the assignments. Try to submit by that Thursday evening. Okay, have a nice day. So, okay, sorry. Okay, see you. We'll continue in the tomorrow's class. Bye bye.